Women in their 60s can look as young as 20-year-old girls with this natural cream. It helps erase wrinkles, reduce dullness, and make your skin glow. Bookmark this video before it disappears. First, we will need 1 egg. Crack the egg and put it into an electric mixer. Egg helps to brighten the skin and remove dullness. Then add 1 tablespoon of fresh yogurt. It helps fight wrinkles and reduces dullness. Mix well until it turns into a smooth paste. Pour the mixture into a bowl. For demonstration purposes, take 1 tablespoon of this paste. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Our magical anti-aging cream is ready. How to use: apply this to your face in the evening and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results. Women of 50 look 20 with this natural cream that completely eliminates their wrinkles and expression lines at the edges of the mouth and all neck wrinkles. To make this recipe, first we will need 1 potato. Peel the potato well, then cut it into pieces. Potato helps remove pigmentation and gives the skin smoothness. Put the potato into a blender and blend well until it turns into a smooth paste. Once blended, pour this paste into a bowl and take 1 tablespoon of potato paste for demonstration purposes. Then add half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. It nourishes the skin and improves elasticity. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. This cream makes your skin radiant and glowing. How to use: apply this on your face in the evening and leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results. Grow your hair up to 4 inches per month with this simple natural recipe. This recipe is suitable for all hair types. If your hair is thinning, breaking easily, not growing past a certain length, or shedding too much, this recipe is for you. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this, first we will need fenugreek seeds, which help treat severe hair loss. Grind the fenugreek seeds until they turn into a fine powder. Add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed powder to a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil for hair stimulation and hair growth. Finally, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil and mix well. Add 1 cup of water to a saucepan and place the oil mixture in a water bath for 10 minutes. Once it boils, remove it from the heat and transfer the mixture to another bowl. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator for up to 15 days. Use this oil 2 times a week for 1 month and you'll be amazed by the results. Apply it to your scalp and massage well. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Do not overuse this natural recipe unless you are ready for a Korean white glow and Japanese glass skin in just 5 days. Save this video before it disappears. For this, first we will need cornstarch. Put 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in a saucepan. Cornstarch helps to whiten the skin and remove dullness. Then add 1 cup of water to the saucepan and boil it over low heat for 10 minutes with continuous stirring. Once it boils, pour the mixture into a bowl. Till then, add half a cup of flax seeds to a saucepan and add 1 glass of water. Boil the flax seeds for 10 minutes until they form a gel-like texture. Once boiled, strain the flaxseed gel using a strainer. Then add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel to the cornstarch mixture and mix well. You can store this in the fridge for up to 15 days. Apply this to your face every time and wash it off after 20 minutes. Use this daily until you notice a visible difference after 5 days of use.